Guys, Jim Dude Guitars here. Gonna do a tone demo for these polarity pickups. There's a lot of different variety and versatility in these pickups that I wanted to showcase. So we're gonna be doing both active and passive and all the pickup selections with clean and distortion. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. These pickups are really great. They go for $100 to add on to most builds that you can get them on. Certain ones are unable to because of reasons that would be going into the build. Also, I wasn't able to get this Vader chambered because of the battery compartment that needed to be routed on the back would interfere with the routing that would need to go on the top for the chambering. So, anyway, we're on clean here, and we're going to start off on the bridge. The tone knob's all the way up, as always, but I've been rolling it back a little bit on certain channels and profiles I've been using, and it's really been sounding great. So, anyway, here we go. Volume all the way up. For cleans, I'm using the Boss Katana Mark II on clean with a little bit of chorus, reverb, and delay. And then for the high gain, I have my Kemper with the last Limert stock 5150 profile with the stomps of noise gate, boost, and compression, you know, just tweaked on there. So anyway, here we go with the clean on the polarity bridge pickup. By the way, we're starting out in the active mode. Bridge split. Now, what's cool is both these aren't two single coil split. You get both full humbuckers, which I love in the middle position. It really has a nice full sound, so check it out. Bridge split. Finally, the neck. So there's clean in the active mode. Now we're going to go to distortion for the active mode. So here we go. position. Last position. Please forgive the mistakes. I haven't warmed up yet. I've just woke up and recorded this, so anyway, was meaning to make this video for a while now, but as you see, the pickups in active on high gain sound amazing for legato and just all sorts of shreddy stuff. I will add in, for those that would like to see it but I don't have time to make, they work really great with low gain too. These polarities aren't just for high gain. The passive mode is really great and crunchy, kind of like a lithium, but with just a little less output. And but it's good that it has less because it's not as harsh. And then the actives is just everything I could want. It's such a full, heavy sound. I hope my camera phone picks up the audio quality good enough for you guys to understand how amazing it is. But anyway, we'll go back to clean and pull out the volume knob. So it's on passive mode now, and now we'll go down to the bridge again and start over. So here you go, and you can hear what these sound like. So. This position really has that Gilmore-y, quacky strat tone that I tend to like. Very versatile. I can't recommend Kiesel guitars enough. I mean, all their guitars are great for so many different styles of playing. So here we go. We're at the middle now in the passive. there you have it. Both modes. I went as quickly as I could. Didn't mean to make the video drag out to 15 minutes. So anyway, hope you liked how the pickups sounded. Obviously, this is just with my setup. They will sound different on other amps and things like that. But I just wanted to put out some more information on there, as you know, when people go to buying from Kiesel and stuff, there's not a lot of videos and reviews and things like that out there, so I try to give as much information as possible so people can have a little help when buying, because I know how scary the process can be when going to buy a guitar without being able to play it first or hear how it sounds or feels in your hand. But I promise if you give it a shot, you won't regret it, and it's an amazing experience to get it and open the case and find a guitar that's made just for you, that no one can go out and buy in a shop and have one the exact same as you. You know, it's one of a kind. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it sounded good, and until next time, we'll see you again.